Hey, what's going on guys? Simon Kirches here, and today I'm gonna show you how to checkmate your opponent using Goccio Piano game, Goccio Pianissimo Italian 4 Nights variation, also known as the repeater trap. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Check, 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 checkmate. Ladies and gentlemen, and that's the checkmate. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon for more latest updates. And also check out my recent video that pop up on your screen. Peace.